YouTube. This is Goofy Monkey to recording, and what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can catch us a EF5 tornado. Now, one day I wasn't recording, I was just kind of playing by myself, and I heard it's not about the it's not about the winds, it's about the damage, and I thought that was pretty cool. So we're gonna see if we can catch us a EF5 and see there's like houses that are totally ripped off. I believe in EF3 is like your roof and your walls maybe is collapsed. But yeah, we're gonna go over here. Looks like a tornado's over there northwest of us. But yeah. But yeah. I think I like the anchors on these. Let me just showcase it for you. And you just go like that. It's probably the TIV2. No, I mean the TIV1, the original. But then the TIV2 would just have different ones. It would be like these, except they're just on the walls more, or on the sides more. And like there's spikes coming out of it, except there's spikes on the grape. No, I'm not even gonna explain that anymore. I don't just. If you want to know what a TIV1 is, just search it up. Oh my gosh, it's already cone. That's pretty much surprising for me. Cause I know it just starts off as a like a small rope, and then it just grows slowly. So I have a. It looks like it's gonna turn into a wedged tornado. Whoever is 203, I'm not friending you. Sorry. But yeah. Oh my gosh. Wait, it could be a wedge right now. Wedged. Let's see if we. Yep, it's a wedged. Who just said I will eat the tornado? Guys, we got it. It's. How's it rain wrapped? It's not rain. Okay, we got 2 helicopters. This is crazy. Hold on, do we got the owner in here? Nah. If we have developers watching this, please give me a title on top of mine where it says I'm a content creator, because really I am trying to be a content creator of this. Alright, hunker down. Anchor. 106. Yo! We got 125. Oh, no, 124. We had 125 on this. Wait, no. Wait. I'm confused. There we go. We need a. Oh shoot. Oh, okay. It's raining hard now. I can barely see. We need to head south. It's wet. Oh my gosh. What's the damage? Bye, Redford. Okay, took off roofs. Could be an EF3. EF3 4. EF3 to 4. What? How do you get those? I want those. What? How are people getting these? People, if you play this game, want to know more about it, I want to know how you get those vehicles. Please. Oh gosh. Red. Yeah, everyone's in a line over here. Guess it's about power flashes. Oh, excuse me. What? You can't reach that far? Wait. No way. Center one can. Should I be staying here? Behind us, behind us, behind us. Oh my god. This could be an EF5. Oh shoot. The rain, bro. Oop. Shoot, 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 shoot. We need to intercept it, quick. No. Back into the water. Alright, anchor, just in case. We don't want to go flying. 67 miles per hour from here. 64, 61, 59, 57, 53, 52, 57, 59, 53. Oh, it's dead. Head the other way. Multi. Tornadix water spout. It's dead though. Here we go, setting down probe. Okay, we should be good. We shouldn't be picking, we shouldn't be. And he died. EF0 right now. It's a wedged though. Shoot. How is it medical there? EF3. EF0. F01. Keep heading straight. It's heading north. Kent, you're cooked. Wait, what? It's an... Well, I mean, at least it's an EF1 that I would get it right. Whoa, whoa. Boom, 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 boom. I'm not gonna sing that. It is very cringy. I should not sing that. Well, wherefore it cooked. Redford got cooked. Should I just stay here? Ooh, why is it so bright? Just don't mind me. I was just being very quiet at the moment. Oh, it's back on the ground. What? Why does it keep bish? Bishy bish bish. I don't know why I keep going off the ground. Oh, fudge. I mean, let me take a picture of that. Where'd it go? Just had to. That's big. They're all right here. They're all like... How many people are in here? Like the whole server is over here. And we're just gonna let dude just stay right there. We're moving up. Oh, it's coming back. Let's see the winds. 94, 107. Pick it up, an anchor. Let's go. Freak. Alright, let's go. We need to keep heading up south. Why are you going that way? Oh, it just tore up a barn. I ain't going that way. Shoot! I'm going to crash out. Oh, fudge. No, get back on the road. Ah! I almost died there. I don't think I'm a professional at this. I'm not actually crying. I'm just, if I would. Oh, watch out. Oh. Shoot. I don't know why I keep jumping out. It's on the road. It's still a multi. Going up front. I keep jumping out for no reason. Is my Roblox character wanting to die? My gosh. Okay, this is just crazy. Aiden, what are you doing? I don't care if I'm like, my real name is Aiden. That's my real name. But I don't care. I don't care what. I don't care where the tornado is going. I want to know why. In my driving skills. But this is crazy. No, never mind. Unless if that's the beach. My gosh. Dead. No way. I hate how it's like this. Well, it's back on the ground, but it's a cone. It's not a wedge anymore. Me and this were a pretty. I mean, it's not like this is not. I would say this is probably like what. I would say this is probably one of the second best tornadoes I've ever chased. But, and like, okay, it's bonking me in the head with ice. The storm is in my bald head. But yeah, the first best tornado I've chased is probably like the 400 plus winds. And like even the Tiv 2 couldn't even survive it. I'm gonna hide under here and look at the weather. Okay, let me look. Nothing don't like you think it's a dark day. It's at 2 miles per hour. Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna end it here. Thanks y'all for watching, and remember, and remember, like and subscribe. See ya.